Alright folks, we're back on again. This is Cortez Beach, yes. You can tell by the cement piers. There's like, I don't know, 12 or 16 of them all the way along. And then Coquina Beach is down there. Anyway, this is the storm surge. This is the storm surge. I'm on a little ramp here. Got my scooter and my broken leg, so I can't go down there too far. You guys are having fun though. They're jumping in the water. Usually there's people out here surfing too. Man, those waves, that storm surge is going to get even worse because all that water piling up. Hear that constant roar of the waves. Oh my God! There, for all you people that love shells, now between now and tomorrow morning, early, like 4:30 in the morning. This would be perfect time to find nice shells. Guys over there jumping in the wave. Truck is bulletproof. I mean, I had to change the water pump on it maybe a month ago. Before that, it was like an alternator or something, and then brakes, front rotors and brakes. Other than that, I mean, that truck has been up to Canada, Washington State, down to California over to Las Vegas, then Las Vegas over to Florida. And I think that trip was done like 2 or 3 times. But that truck, and it's still running like a Rolex. It's got the 4.8 liter, which is basically the same thing as a 5.7 or a 5.3, just different heads. Well, I have got a bad hankering for Coca-Cola. Oh, look at that. Water right up there. Wow. Pretty cool. Uh-oh. They're shutting it down. Yeah, these guys don't play with people's safety. Like if there's like an electrical storm coming in, the sirens start going off and everybody out of the water, everybody out of the water. And then it'll pass, and then you can go right back in the water. They shut it down. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Hope everyone's having a good day. Happy birthday to myself. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye for now.